In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable God mode in Windows 11. If you want a faster way to access a huge collection of advanced Windows settings all in one place, this feature can be very useful. God mode in Windows 11 is essentially a special folder that gathers many control panel options into a single organized view. It does not unlock secret features or change how your computer works by itself, but it does make it much easier to find important tools without digging through multiple menus. To get started, go to your Windows 11 desktop and right-click on any empty area. Make sure you are clicking on a blank space and not on an app icon or file, so the correct menu appears. From the menu that opens, hover over or click New and then choose Folder. This will create a brand new folder on your desktop, and the name field should become editable automatically. If it does not, you can simply right-click the folder and choose Rename. Now rename the folder to this exact text: godmode.openbrace ED7BA 470-8E54-465E-8 25C-997120443E01C close brace. It is very important to type it exactly as shown, including the period, the dashes, and the braces. If even one character is missing or incorrect, the folder will not convert properly. Once you have entered the full name correctly, press Enter on your keyboard to apply it. If everything was typed correctly, the folder icon should change and no longer look like a normal folder. That visual change lets you know the feature has been enabled successfully. Next, open the folder by double-clicking it. Inside, you will see a large list of advanced control panel settings and administrative shortcuts collected in one place. These settings are usually grouped by category, which makes navigation easier. You can now use the list inside to quickly change system settings without jumping between different parts of Windows. This is especially helpful if you regularly manage things like backup options, mouse settings, power settings, networking, programs, or troubleshooting tools. One quick tip: since this folder can contain a lot of options, it may feel overwhelming at first. Take your time and use it mainly as a shortcut hub for settings you already recognize. And if you want even faster access later, you can leave it right on the desktop so it is always easy to open. That's how to enable God mode in Windows 11.